What are the planets in our solar system? In this video, you are going to learn about solar system, inner planets, outer planets, asteroids, and comets. A solar system is made up of a star and the planets and other bodies that revolve around it. The Sun is the star at the center of our solar system. Our solar system contains 8 planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. A planet is a large round body that revolves around a star in a clear orbit. Dwarf planets are nearly round bodies whose orbits cross those of other bodies. Pluto is a dwarf planet. An asteroid is made of rock and metal. Most asteroids are in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. A comet is a ball of rock and frozen gases that orbit the Sun in the areas at the edge of the solar system. The inner planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. The inner planets have small diameters and thin atmospheres. They are the closest to the Sun. The inner planets are the smallest and warmest planets. They have hard surfaces made of rock. The inner planets revolve around the Sun much more quickly than the outer planets do. The inner planets are the only planets where probes from Earth have landed. Mercury. Mercury has a thin atmosphere of carbon dioxide with a surface like our moons. It is the smallest planet in our solar system. Venus. Venus has a thick carbon dioxide atmosphere which makes it boiling hot. Drops of acid fall from its clouds. Venus has more than 1,600 volcanoes. Earth. Earth is the largest and densest of the inner planets. Only Earth has water, soil, and air to support life. Mars. Mars is dry and freezing cold. Huge dust storms blow across Mars's surface. The Mars rover Spirit has sent images of Mars's surface back to Earth. Mars has mountains, wide plains, canyons, volcanoes, and iron-rich red soil. The outer planets: Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. The outer planets are larger and less dense than the inner planets are. They are the farthest from the Sun. The outer planets are giant balls of gases with very small, solid cores. The outer planets rotate quickly, which makes for a short day. However, these planets take a long time to revolve once around the Sun. Therefore, they have short days, but long years. Unlike the inner planets, the outer planets have rings made of dust, ice, or rock. Jupiter. Jupiter has at least 63 moons. Astronomers think that Europa, one of Jupiter's moons, has an icy surface that covers a cold, slushy ocean. Jupiter's atmosphere is in constant motion. Its great red spot is a swirling storm that has raged for more than 300 years. Saturn. Saturn has thousands of rings. Scientists think these rings are leftover pieces of comets, asteroids, or moons that broke up long ago. Saturn's atmosphere has winds that can blow at speeds of 1,800 kilometers per hour, which is faster than the strongest winds from hurricanes on Earth. Uranus. Uranus tilts so far on its axis that it looks as if it revolves around the Sun on its side. Methane gas in its atmosphere gives Uranus its blue color. Neptune. Neptune is the farthest planet in the solar system. From space, Neptune's atmosphere looks blue. Sometimes, white clouds of methane ice crystals blow high across this planet. Out of the 8 planets in our solar system, only Earth has life as we know it. Our solar system's life zone begins just outside Venus's orbit and ends before the orbit of Mars. If Earth were outside this life zone, it would be either too hot or too cold for life to exist on our planet. Our moon is within the life zone, but does not have life. It doesn't have an atmosphere or liquid water. Earth's atmosphere does many things to support life, such as trapping solar energy to keep Earth's temperature comfortable. Earth's oceans store and distribute heat from the sun. Ocean currents carry heat away from the equator and release heat near the poles. Without the oceans to store and distribute heat from the sun, some places on Earth would be extremely cold or extremely hot. I hope you like my videos. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to receive every new one.